So let me apply this one on and we key it for 30 seconds. Here you go. I have crystal magnets. Foxy, Foxy. They are so stunning, so it doesn't matter whatever. Look at that cute butterflies, it's flying everywhere. They are going different direction. They like this one go this way, this one go that way. So it doesn't matter. We can pick that spot. We can pick that spot. You know what? If you see in closer, it's stunning because it has that little flowers like in the background. It makes like, and it's so vibrant. So I'm really excited about this. Let's see how it turned out to us. Maybe we pick this guys right there. All of them. Okay, I'm gonna do, maybe at least I get one butterflies right there. Half of it. Half of the butterflies. Make sure you press it nicely. I can see that it's already coming off. Look at that. Great. Now I am going to using condensed glue gels, and I'm gonna place the crystal placement on this. Again, it's really thick density. So if you are first time using condensed glue gels, make sure you blend it nicely and don't hesitate to blend it because they will stay in a grip your base of your crystal nicely. But just don't let it like a whole set in there because it's a really something on it. Okay, you wipe that off. Great, so I am going to using a no wipe top coat. And place it nice. This is one of my collection. I really like it. It's totally different. It's not, I believe it's not a glow in the dark. So it's like a, what is that? It delights set. Let me move it up just a little bit because we don't want to cover our beautiful butterflies. The two of them, one of them I have. Crystal time. Tina, you are right, crystal times. Now I love using this all the frames. If any of you are really like not want to touch this frame because it looks like too difficult to deal with, this frames is really enhanced crystal placement. Frames and the metal beads is really changed the game because it's make it look so stunning, and it makes your crystal placement is not just simple crystal placement anymore. It take your skills completely to the next level. So I am gonna try to add either beads or one more. I might doing a beads in there. Can Facebook see me well? I put 4 of them in there. And then you don't have to add the beads on it. They look so stunning already. But if you want to add something on it, I think you absolutely can. Just feel it's complete if you want to add it on. But I think if we did the frames on, you don't even necessarily doing it. But just for your preference if you want it. Do you like it now? If you like it, then we can cure it for 60 seconds. Great. I'm gonna check it quick. I think I'm happy with this. I'm gonna cure it. So you can do half of the nail chamfer foil, or you can do full nails, however you prefer. Look at this. You can even do with this one. Let's do another one. And I have a different colors of crystal placements. I want to show you so how it's a look. So should we do this one? Or should we do the other one? We're talking about... Is everyone who want to see this one? Is that this one that we're talking about? Or this one? Now you pick. I just want to show you the different looks for in the different background. I can do either ones. Orange or pink and blue. Look at that. So stunning. This one. This orange one. Shanice. Great. Again. It's gonna be